I'm Brenda. Welcome back to my quilt room. Well, we finally made it to the end of the year. It's December, and this is the Christmas quilt that we've been working on, block of the month all year. As you can see, mine is going to be quite a bit larger than yours. And that was simply because I had to make some practice blocks as I went, as I was teaching you, and I don't throw things away. So I added them all in. So I have a few more blocks of some of the blocks that you made, and I forgot how big this came out. I'll put it in the description below, but what I did was I just mixed them up. We set it together with 1.5 inch sashing, and I just used 1.5 inch squares out of the fabrics that I used for the blocks. Now, as we were making this, and I said in December, you can just make an extra block for your 25th block. Of all the blocks, you can pick one that you liked. Well, I made this little Christmas tree here. And oh, it came out kind of offset, but there are no perfect trees. So I just put it in there anyway. I really liked it. So that was my extra block that I made. And then the rest of these are all the same blocks that I showed you how to make all year long. And I really had a good time doing this project. It was a lot of fun. I have always wanted a sampler quilt and just never had the time or maybe the motivation or energy to do it. And now I have this one that we can snuggle under and watch our favorite Christmas movies during Christmas time. And if you like this, I would like for you to leave me a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite Christmas movie. My favorite Christmas movie has always been Holiday Inn. I love that movie. My husband and I really enjoy watching the old black and whites. And when our daughter was in college, they colorized the version of that movie. And I loved it so much that she bought it for us as a Christmas gift. And I could not wait to watch that, to see what color they made Marjorie Reynolds' dress that she walked down that staircase on New Year's Eve. They said that dress weighed a ton. It was so covered with beads, but it was beautiful. So anyway, I hope that you guys have enjoyed doing this block of the month with me all year. And I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and we look forward to seeing you in 2023. And to remember that Jesus is the reason for the season. And we will see you next year in January. Bye.